Today, I wanted you to know we partnered with the school district to launch FarmBot here at Parkway Middle School.
FarmBot is an agricultural robot that assists in the everyday tasks of gardening. Leah Martinez saw value in this product 2 years ago during the annual Build-A-Build competition and advocated for the robot's installation in schools. Even though Leah's bill didn't win, Representative Paula Stark helped get FarmBot funded to assist Parkway Middle School in growing a garden.
We loved her idea so much. This is a great opportunity for us to incorporate this into Osceola County and to make her vision come true for her.
Leah Martinez was motivated to pursue this idea, with her intention being to encourage healthier, better lifestyles for everyone.
I want people to benefit from eating healthy, eating things that aren't frozen, eating things that aren't processed or have a bunch of preservatives in them.
Deja Irvin, the culinary teacher at Parkway Middle School, loves how seamless it is to maintain the school garden now that the FarmBot is up and running.
It's very self-sufficient and notifies you when things are ready to be picked. Once you gather, it will reseed, it waters, it gives nutrients, and it monitors the growth patterns of everything in the bed.
The principal of the school, Miss Misty Cruz, was very excited to witness one of her former students' ideas of installing a FarmBot on her school's campus come to fruition.
We've had to work with a lot of different departments and areas, from putting the actual FarmBot together, the building of the area, and the supplies to get it going so that we can plant seeds and also seedlings.
And the best part? Showing students how food is actually grown.
It is our goal to be able to plant the food, grow the food, pick the food, and cook and eat the food in the classroom. The complete circle of eating.
I think this changes the mindset of our youth because it tastes completely different than the foods when we buy it out of the grocery store.
To have something like this come to our school to showcase what amazing things that our staff and students are doing is always an incredible blessing for us, and also just great for the community of Buenaventura Lakes.
Just one FarmBot can bring a bunch of classes together, a bunch of students together to want to work for the community, to want to put their time into something that's going to benefit not just them, but everyone else.
If Parkway Middle School sees success with this program,
then we were going to be looking forward to putting 4 more in the school district.